Does your ass want to learn how to make some chicken wings? You do? Alright, cool. Some of this. I'll need you some of this too. Some of these as well. I think that's what you want.
So just measure this shit out. You don't really gotta measure that shit out. Just eyeball it. You know, it's about enough. Take your wing, toss it. Take your wing, toss it. Take your wing, toss it. Shake a little excess off. Should come out looking like this right here.
So you should have about that many. Pack them in there just like that. It's alright if they're a little too close together, because you're gonna have to flip them anyways, and they're gonna shrink up real nice like a peanut. Give me like 27. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm gonna teach you how to make some sauce worth a damn. Get you some mayo, get you some mustard-based barbecue sauce, because ketchup-based is disgusting. Heinz 57, and some crushed red pepper. Not that much. Put your finger in the hole. First batch of wings out, so I'm just gonna show you instead of waiting for the other 30 minutes for the other half. They're gonna come out looking like this, you know. You coat them in some sauce, it tastes and looks like a chicken wing. Well, let's do a quench test, baby. That's for shit. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.